take the oath with me.
Malugod ko po binabati ang Testify in Practice na opisyal na manunumpa ngayon bilang mga bagong Doctor of Veterinary Medicines. At isang magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Hi, Houston Joshua. Congratulations to everyone for taking the oath as the new veterinarians of our profession.
Congratulations everyone.